The next step is caulking and sealing to close any cracks that air or water vapor could seep through. Sealants eliminate drafts, provide thermal resistance, and keep out moisture, dust, and insects. Sealing also helps in sound control. Some insulation companies will send a specialized crew in advance to apply sealants. Otherwise, this is the first task of the insulation installer. The sealants you will be using are generally of two types: caulking and urethane foam. Caulking is a paste-like material that cures to a solid state. It is applied with a caulking gun to seal small cracks or gaps. Any holes between conditioned or unconditioned spaces or from floor to floor should be sealed. For example, drilled holes in studs that electrical wiring or plumbing runs through, or vent pipes through a ceiling. Seams between walls and floors require sealing. As you apply the caulking to these small spaces, move at a slow, steady pace, forcing caulking into the gap. Smooth excess caulking with your fingertip or a putty knife before it dries. The second type of sealant you may be using is urethane foam. Urethane foams are liquid materials that expand rapidly as they set to a semi-rigid state. They are used to fill larger gaps and holes. The most common type is available in an aerosol can or large canister. To apply urethane foam, follow the directions on the label. Place the nozzle over one end of the gap and then squeeze the trigger while dragging the nozzle across the gap. Because this material will expand, do not overfill the gap.